Hi everyone! Today we are crocheting this easy scrunchie using double crochet stitches. This project is perfect for beginners. You can even make it as your very first project. If you do, I'd recommend choosing a beginner-friendly yarn unlike the one I'm using here. For this tutorial, you will need any yarn you like, a matching crochet hook, and a basic hair tie. You can use a regular hair elastic, but if you don't have one, you can also make your own by sewing a pieces of elastic into a loop. It doesn't really matter as long as it stretches well. I will be using this cute green cotton yarn that left from my handwarmers project and this bright green grass yarn that left from my mossy bag. You can also use scrap yarn since this project doesn't require much. Feel free to mix different texture or yarn types to create a more interesting look. All the detailed information about the yarn will be in the description below. We're starting with a Slipknot. You can use any method you like, but I'll show you my favorite. So place the yarn with the tail down, wrap it around your two fingers to form an X. Insert your hook under the first strand, grab the second one and pull through. Remove your fingers and that's your slip knot. Now insert it into your hair tie. Place the working yarn on your index finger and hold it with the pinky, like this. Yarn over and pull through. And let's make another chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through. This will act as a starting point for our double crochet. Next, you can place the yarn tail along the elastic and crochet over it. This way it gets hidden automatically and you won't need to weave it in later. Now let's make our first double crochet. First, yarn over. You just literally place the yarn on your crochet hook. You can hold it with your thumb. Insert the hook into the center of the elastic and grab the working yarn. Now you have 3 stitches on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Now you have 2 loops left. Yarn over again and pull through 2. And that's your first double crochet. Continue working double crochets the same way. Yarn over, insert into the center, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And continue like this until you have enough stitches to cover the band. Now about the number of stitches. To make the scrunchie stretchy and full, you need to add enough double crochets to cover the elastic when it's fully stretched. As you work, push the stitches together slightly, then stretch the elastic. If you can still see the elastic underneath, keep adding more stitches. When relaxed, the fabric will naturally ruffle. That's exactly what we want. But don't push too hard. Your scrunchie should not be ruffled when the band is fully stretched. Otherwise, you will have not usable scrunchie. When you have enough stitches, the elastic should be completely hidden when stretched. If your scrunchie ruffles when the elastic is fully stretched, that means you made too much double crochets for this band. Once you're done, we'll finish the last stitch. Pull the loop on your hook to extend it and cut the yarn. Remove an extra yarn. Then find the very first stitch of the round that looks like V. Insert the hook from back to front. Find your tail and pull the yarn through. Next, turn the work. Find the very last stitch, this one. Insert your hook from bottom to top through this half loop and inside the stitch between the two halves of the V. Find your tail and pull it through this stitch. Finally, weave in this end and your scrunchie is done.